coming up!
Whoa!
Watch me splash up this whole pool, babe.
Foolish! Instead of doing stuff like that, make this pool less boring.
Hello, please help me upgrade my swimming pool.
What kind of upgrade are you looking for?
I want to add a second and third level to the pool.
Got it. We'll start preparing the concrete right now.
I've brought the concrete here!
Great, let's get to work.
Now, I'll reinforce the second level of the pool with concrete.
Whoa!
It's fully dry! Let's place it on the first level!
Come on, let's hurry and finish another level.
Okay, I'll bring another batch over. Alright, let's make the second batch of concrete!
Wow! The materials have arrived already.
Aggregate! Cement! Sand! Now, pour all of them into these hoppers! Mixing tank is activated!
Wow!
Whoa!
Final step! Close the tank lid and wait!
Whoa!
This concrete turned out pretty good! We can deliver this batch now!
Start pouring it in.
The truck is full! Buddy! Another batch has arrived! Alright, it's time for the third level now!
Whoa!
Nice! This one's ready to go on top too! We only have this staircase left to fill! The pool is all finished!
Thank you so much!
Our pool looks way cooler.
Call me if you want to build something else!
Time to fill the pool with water and enjoy it.
Wow!
Whoa!
What's included in the concrete mixing set? 1. Build the mixing tank. Rotating axle. Motor. Now, I'll make the discharge outlet for concrete. Mixing paddle. The cover. Pipe connector. 2. Build the hoppers. I'll build the gear drive system. Add the gearbox. Next, I'll attach the hoppers. Pipe connector. Place them onto the base.
In Aurora Beach Camp.
Such a nice place for camping. What a jerk.
Hey, pretty girl.
Your car is so cool. I can't sleep here anymore.
You can sleep in my motorhome, pretty girl.
How modern it is.
We don't need that, honey.
My motorhome is all set up.
This is so chill. I smell grilled seafood.
Your grilled shrimp is ready, honey.
I don't like this shrimp.
Hey, pretty. Wanna eat with me?
Mind your business, Ness.
Yes, yes.
What?
I'm coming.
Huh?
This meal is such a feast.
She betrayed me. Help me, help.
The sea is so dangerous.
Don't worry. My car has a pool.
Wow, you surprised me again.
Wow!
We should swim together. Your motorhome is the best. I love it.
Huh?
This is my stolen motorhome, Mr. Officer.
I need to escape now.
Stay right there, you thieves. You're under arrest for stealing this car.
I'm innocent.
Swimming pool.
Nothing fun to do here.
I'm coming, Eva. Having fun, honey?
This slide is boring. We had better go home.
Wait, we're gonna upgrade a special machine. The SpongeBob bubble bath toy will create tons of foam for the pool.
Wow, it looks so fun.
Now the pool will be filled with bubbles.
Oh! Wow!
These bubbles are so soft.
This is so relaxing.
I still have one more surprise for you. I've added a water slide to this bubble toy. Now let's enjoy this bubble slide.
It's so sunny. I should go for a swim.
Yee! Water!
So refreshing.
Yeah.
You fool. Why is there no water here? That silly thing.
What a clown.
I'll build a water pump to save my pool.
Almost done. This pump sucks. I must make a bigger and stronger pump.
How to build the water pump. Step 1. Build the pump casing. Install the engine. Step 2. Build the piston. Install the battery. Install the shock absorber. Install the piston base. Step 3. Install the water pump. Install the pump in the water tank. Testing.
The piston is pushing the water up.
Haha, water is being pumped up.
Oh yeah!
Every detail is perfect.
This feels great.
Hi-ya!
Let's drain all the water from his pool into mine.
Why is all the water gone? Where did this pump come from?
Awesome.